Gagawa ako guys ng assignment. Buko mo po kami ni Jito.
Go school.
Yesterday. And today is I'm going to make my homework.
Yeah. Wow. Chi.
Mas magaling pa sa akin si Jacob guys.
Hi guys. Guys, and go to school. Right?
Right.
And okay, go to school. And read that. And go for that hammer.
Jacob, yeah. And we will gonna say the ano.
Yeah.
Mapok. Are you ready for that? Bo, one, san, go.
Ba, ka, ma, for, me, ma, for, the, te,
Habang mo the kayo
ne, la, ka,
ga,
ka,
ha,
chi,
si,
si,
yay! Tahan mo yun, mama shishida.
Baby. Oh.
Ano guys, nawalan kami ng gas. Di ba tayo dito? Ng niwas. Ng gas.
Yeah, that's car.
Ito guys, isusulat ko. Ito. This one. Yan, ito yung assignment ko. So, ayun. Yan, so, sulat ko bukas tayo sa assignment.
Mexico?
Go, haba.
Mexico. Mexico.
Oh, hawakan. Ani.
皮肤花、短视频锤，有哈，你要大声一点哦。有美人，好，无名猪，没有。
Okay.
Okay lang.
Yeah, okay.
Bibili kami ni Jacob ng tempura. Ayan si Jacob.
Okay.
Okay, like we are
Yeah.
here in David's. We buy some tempura. Right? Grabe init na. Gabi ng gabi. So, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, I'm hungry.
You're hungry? So guys, it's early in the morning.
Yeah.
It's 7:30 in the morning. And nagising si Jacob kasi nagising si Jacob kasi nananaginip siya. Sabi niya kanina
Yeah, okay,
ambulance.
and-
Tapos
Yeah, in the chicken, right?
yeah. Oo.
And-
What happened? Big fan siya. Yan. Tapos nag-ano siya ng bupo-mopo. So let's
check.
No, let's say the bupo-mopo. Woman yan, hapa.
Whoa!
Woman yan the bupo-mopo. Tingnan nyo guys.
Whoa, she,
Hala.
Hamina.
Let's read the bupo-mopo. Read the bupo-mopo. 再次哦，开始啦。1、2、3，Go。
Ba, pa, ma, wa, de, te.
Ja, baby. Nagising kami ang aga-aga pag 7:30 pa talaga. Oh, ayan yung oras guys.
Look,
I love you, baby.
I love you, mommy.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Kiss mommy ba?
Mother.
Kiss mommy ba? No, hindi ba? I don't. Thank you. I love you.
Go.
Hi. Busy kami na TV.
Ako ng mushroom soup with bamboo shoot. Masarap to, guys. So, nagpaano na ako ng mushroom. Ayan. Tapos, talagyan ko siya ng kongwan. Yung parang meatballs. Tapos, may sabaw. Bigay lang to ni Bianan, guys. Binibigyan ako ni Bianan. Pag umuwi kami doon once a month, ayun, binibigyan niya ako ng paborito kong bamboo shoot. Tsaka yung mushroom. Tsaka yung kongwan. Yan. Parang ano namin ni Abby. Tapos lalagyan ko ng meat. Pork meat. Para may sabaw tayo. Higop-higop. Mabubusog ka na pag ganito, guys, kainin mo. Mabubusog ka na talaga. Tapos may konting kanin. Ay, panalo na. Pak! Ganun! Mamaya, balataan ko kayo kung luto na, ha? So, magpapainit na ako, guys, ng tubig. Ayan. Habang magpapainit ako ng tubig, magigiwa ako nitong aking binabad na mushroom. Ayan. Hi.
Kongwan. I like it.
Kongwan.
Okay. 好吃。Asking the sun and dry up all the rain. Itchy spider. Sama?
Mother found
Down in the rain.
and was the fire out. Out of the sun and carry water away.
All the rain.
It's spider of the water down. Down
In the rain.
water out.
Kunin natin yung sabaw, guys. Yan. Mamaya, set aside natin. And then, refill that, ha? Slice the mushroom. So, slice it like that. Yan, guys, oh, ganyan siya. Hinihiwa ko siya ng para, ito, liliit lang. Ayan. Mamaya, ilulod natin siya dyan habang nagpapakupo tayo. Ayan, ganyan lang. This is my husband's favorite soup and my favorite soup also. Now, mansin pang meat. Ay! 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 Ganyan na yung asawa. Talagyan na namin yung bamboo fish, guys. Ayan. Make it yummy, oh. Oh.
是啊，那个是好大一个。
因为我们两个很喜欢它这个大肠啊。
当我用掉啊。
Put the mushroom. Ayan.
好大一个。这个是个
真的guys
10个人吃的。
Ayan. So, yung mga bamboo shoot with mushroom soup with meatballs.
喂，
Yeah. Okay. Ano na, boss? So guys, magtimpla na tayo ng ating Himalayas. Pink. Sama pa?
别过夜。
Himalaya salt.
we put a little onion powder.
Yeah. Hindi na hiya.
And let's mix. Then, let's taste it. I will give my hubby. My husband will
Buko.
go yan. So, we will taste it, guys. I think this is good because I adjust the saltiness.
Yeah.
So guys, ayan na ang ating soup. Ayan. So ganyan siya guys. Diba? Sarap dito guys, as in. Kainan na.
Full house. Yeah.
Ito guys. Mga kailangan.
Nagkadata.
Bili kami ng ano, isda, bangus. Malapit na kasi mag-mooncake, kaya maraming tao dito guys. Maraming tao dito ngayon sa California. What is that? Bumili si Jacob ng kakain si Jacob dito sa Dunbury. Yay!